Hi there and welcome to the M5Stack official YouTube channel. I'm Luke and I'm new to the team here at M5. I'm going to be in charge of content management. What is M5? Maybe you've heard of our product before, maybe not, but I'd like to introduce it today. The M5 is a series of modular units. That's where the M comes from in the M5. The 5 stands for 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, the size of the case of the M5. The M5 stack, as we call it, is a stackable unit which slots together. There are many different types of modules in the M5Stack ecosystem, such as GPS, LoRa, and many more. In the future, we'll go into more detail about these different modules, but today I just want to introduce the M5. For those who are already familiar with our products, we'd like to thank you for all the support that you've given us so far. We really appreciate it. And we'd like to give back to you, the community, with more videos, more resources, more documentation to help you make greater products with the M5. So every week from now on, we're going to be doing a video introducing new aspects of the product or interesting projects that you can do with the M5, and we'd like to know what you would like to see. So if you have some ideas, we'd like you to put them down in the comments and we'll consider your ideas for future videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.